Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another exciting video. In this video we are going to reuse old stuff to make jewelry organizers, which would work as decor pieces as well. You can use it to organize junk jewelry and make it easy and comfy to use this stuff. But before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications. So let's move to our first DIY. For this we need an old frame. I removed the back part and the glass of the frame and cleaned it properly. If you want, you can color it also. I took few pieces of lace and pasting diagonally with hot glue. Paste from one side first and let it dry. Only then paste from other side. I am using thin and broad laces together. If you want, you can paste them straight also. Now it's turn to decorate it. I am using few seeds and shells to decorate. How beautiful this DIY organizer is looking, along with colorful earrings. Move to our next DIY, for which again I am using a long frame. Remove the back part. Now take a piece of net cloth to cover the frame. Remove the glass. I am using two pieces. I am not a single one piece. Paste it on the back part of the frame with hot glue. To hide the joint, I am using lace. These laces can be used to hang the earrings. Cut the excess cloth on all sides and fit the frame. Now I am using the board pins, which you can get easily from any craft store. I will pin them in the board of the frame. Little bit strength you need to put. I am using stones to decorate the tips of pins. Paste them with hot glue. You can use colorful buttons as well. Decorate it with seeds and shells. Our DIY chain organizer is ready. We can hang our long pieces and multi-layer chains, which always entangle when kept in box. Guys, give a big thumbs up if you really like this DIY. So move to our next DIY. For this I am using this wooden hanger of my coat and these old wooden bangles of mine. First I will paint them with acrylic colors. Tie all the bangles with ribbon and tie them again with the hanger itself. Pasting the ribbon bows on joints. And one bow on the top of hanger as well. Fix the joints with hot glue. Now same board pin I am fixing here. On the top pasting some rhinestones to decorate it. How beautiful this DIY is looking now. It can be used to store headbands or even your scarves. On the pins you can flaunt your earrings, hoops, even bangles or crunches. You can use multi-layer bangles in order to hang more scarves or stuff. Looking awesome really. All these organizers not only solve the purpose of organizing but showcase our jewelry and working as the decor pieces as well. The jewelry which cannot be used being kept in box can be utilized now. So please let me know which DIY is your favorite. Mine is earring organizer and my daughter likes the headband organizer. In the next video again I am going to share some jewelry organizers. So see you in the next video. Till then, better take care of your health. Be crafty. Bye bye.